In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to get a ChatGPT API key. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to platform.openai.com, then click the sign up button in the top right. From here, we have the option to sign up using an email address, Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Once signed up, you need to select Dashboard in the top right. Then on the left sidebar, you need to select API keys. From here, you need to click Create New Secret Key. This will open a window like this. Under Name, you need to give your API key a name, then you can add it to a project. Under that, you need to choose the permissions, so you can pick from all, restricted, and read only. If you do select restricted, you can select which specific permission you want to be read or write. Now we can hit Create Secret Key. The key you have just created will appear here where we can copy it, then click Done. All the API keys you create will appear on this tab. If you select the pencil icon to the right of each one, we can edit the name and the permissions. We can delete any key by selecting the red trash can icon next to the edit button, then click Revoke Key. That's all we have for this video on creating ChatGPT API keys. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.